sort of what current ads are doing. So let's go to Facebook and search free shipping and see what all the other dropshippers are doing. And then in the search bar, search free shipping or free space shipping. And then go to videos tab. And then go this month. This month would be a bit too short. January 2020.
Yeah.
So I'll sort of give you the guide on how to come up with scripts. So what you want to do is you want to get all the videos with the most amount of views. And what you want to do is you actually want to copy all the subtitles of the top performing videos. And you'll find that they follow a pretty similar format or storyline or structure. And obviously every month, every year, there's a new sort of trendy structure. And what you want to do is you want to create a template for your own videos where you copy these structures and you leave blanks where they mention their product, where you could go ahead and fit in your product. And then there's two things. There is the story structure, or what we call angle, where there could be 5 different angles, one being angled at health, one being angled at aesthetics, one being angled at fitness.
Right.
And then which each one of those angles, there could be multiple stories. So for example, the angle for fitness, there could be a story about how this is awesome for people trying to lose weight. There could be another story of how this is awesome for people to get abs. There could be another story how this is awesome for pregnant mums that want to get back into fitness. So that is multiple stories for the one angle. For the health angle, how this can sort of help you cure some certain disease, how this could help you be fitter, how this could prevent flus or disease or the recent coronavirus. And those are the few different stories for that one angle.
Okay.
And you could get it just based through searching free shipping and look at all the best performing ads. I usually like to model anything that has more than 200,000 to 300,000 views.
Yeah, okay. I'll go through them based on there. These will be videos then.
Yes, they're videos.
Yeah, run through with videos. Yeah, okay.